Hey folks, me again. Nothing too special, just bumming around on a muggy day, just wet, miserable, heavily overcast, and it's 4:20. 4:20. But anyhow, I had made up a battery box like this. Hang on. This one here. Hang on a sec. Fuck. See, it used to sit like this. Let's see if I can pick this thing up without fucking falling apart on it. You know, like this. You know, it looked good, you know. I painted it and everything like that, and lined it with a bed liner to protect it. But I had to weld on this little bracket here. So now let's take it off, blah blah blah. As you can see, I had to weld on this little bracket. And of course, before I welded it on, I didn't bother to take the battery tray to the truck and make sure it fit. So now I have to grind out all the welds that went through that hole there, and those two, which correspond with that little spot there, and a couple over here. So it looked really good. I mean, it was perfect otherwise. You know, heavily coated. Bottom was painted blue, plus it was undercoated with the gravel guard too. So I had to take, where is it? This old battery tray, which I was going to use, really clean it up and everything like that, but it was rusted out right here. You know, went to shit. Probably if I checked it out a few more times, I would have found other crap. So I took that piece off here. As you can see, all the welds got drilled out, and this is the piece right here now, all cleaned up. Bang flat, all done here. So now all I gotta do is weld it back to here, and I'll have a brand new battery tray. Because everything all lines up nicely. I'll just repaint it, and it'll be good. Yeah, like I said, everybody else's bench gets cluttered up. 20 minutes ago, that was clean. Right. Well, like I said, not too much. Just fooling around, doing what I can. With the weather being like it is, can't do too much otherwise. But what is it? It's just 40 degrees, well, 45 degrees here, but 7 degrees Celsius, 6 degrees Celsius up here in the Great White North. Well, okay folks, till later. Have a good day, and build on. Bye. Now it's all primed, except for the part's gonna be welded, and should look pretty okay. Gotta give it a light on the subject. Haven't got much very good lighting in the shop, but yeah, see. So tomorrow I'll just weld it all back together, paint it up, and it'll all be done. Okay, ciao for now. Hey folks, well, like I said, came down, set it all up and got it all welded. Looked pretty good. Really getting a thing for doing this welding. It all came out good. I had a bit much more material, but maybe I'll grind that one down and fix it up again. But that one came out full. That one I did a bit extra, but like I said, I'll grind it down. Yeah, so it's all looking pretty cool. Don't know what it looks like underneath here. Can't see shit though. But here, if I can take this thing off and lay it here, and yeah, it all looks good now. Yep. You would think it was brand new. But okay, like I said, just a quick vid. Raining here, so just doing what I can do. Okay, ciao for now. Have a great day. And it's a nice balmy 80 degrees in my little shop, courtesy of my little wood heater, which is just cooking right now. Okay folks, have a great weekend. Be good. Bye. Well, here's that battery tray, all painted. Came out good. And the other side. Yeah. Yep. Can't even tell where I welded it. It all came out super good. Yeah, I guess it's another little update. Pretty much a pathetic update, but it's a battery tray. All done, ready to install. And I had to repaint the inside of that because when I welded it, the heat distorted some of the bed liner. So I fixed that and repainted over it. But that's pretty cool for now. Okay man, talk to you later. Take care folks.